Hello everyone. So today I wanted to talk a little bit on being in the now or being in the present. Uh, Most of our lives are spent either being in the past or being in the future. So मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि it is very important that you be present with yourself in the moment that you're spending. So aaj today is very important then thinking about what has happened or what is coming up. So मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि इमोशंस आर आवर इंडिकेटर्स. So whenever you are in the past, either you feel guilty or you regret doing something or you're upset about something, and whenever you are in the future, either you're scared or you're anxious. It's only in the now. If you're really in the present, that is the only time when you actually feel at peace and you really are satisfied. तो ये satisfaction या peace का जो feeling है, ये हमेशा present में होता है ना. You will never be peaceful if you're thinking about your past. You will never feel happy if you're thinking about what has happened back in your life. You will never feel secure if you're feeling or you're thinking about your future. So it is always important कि you practice being in the now. So how do you really start practicing being in the now? So it's very simple. The minute you realize कि आपके thoughts, आपके memories या आप जो कुछ भी सोच रहे हो is related to past or future, शायद आपको 1 घंटे बाद रियलाइज़ होगा कि यार ये मैं आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट माई पास्ट और आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर. द मोमेंट यू कैच योर सेल्फ ईदर बीइंग इन द पास्ट और इन द फ्यूचर, you hold yourself there, you ask yourself a very simple question कि ये मैं जो कुछ भी सोच रही हूँ या सोच रहा हूँ, is it really helping me or is it really productive? So for example, I'm thinking of some situations that have happened in the past. So when I realize कि I'm thinking about the past, I can actually stop myself at that point and I can ask कि okay ठीक है, अभी ये जो मैं सोच रही हूँ, is it really useful? So either the answer will be yes or the answer will be no. Or if you're thinking about the future, so whenever you catch yourself thinking overly about the future कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, will everything be fine, तो whenever I catch myself thinking about the future, I can ask कि ये जो thoughts है, are they really productive? So again the answer will be either yes or it will be no. So with regards to past, when you get the answer no, there is no point in thinking about it. And when you get the answer yes, then you need to ask the next question. Okay, ठीक है, if the answer is yes, what is it that I can do about it right now? So whenever you ask yourself what can I do about it now, will bring you in this present moment of your life, right? So when you're really not in the present, we are missing the true essence of our life. क्योंकि मैं अभी मैं हूँ ही नहीं ना. So I'm not enjoying. So the moment I'm not in the present, that moment is going to be past sometime in maybe next few minutes of my life. So it's very important for all of us to be satisfied and happy about what is happening in my life at this moment. So if I'm having a dinner, can I really be physically and mentally present while I'm having the food? If I'm out for a party, can I really enjoy it completely? Because when I'm not in the moment, I generally tend to lose the most precious moments of my life, right? So it is important that we all stay present 100% in what is happening right now in our life, right? So whenever you feel upset, you feel regret, you feel guilt, you need to understand that you're thinking about your past. Whenever you are anxious or scared or insecure, most of the times you are thinking about the future. इसमें का कुछ भी हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. Neither you can go back and correct things, neither you can go ahead and change things, right? So what is there in my hand? I have full control of my life in this today. So if I have full control, and if I need to have grip over my thoughts and my emotions, I need to be present for myself, my relationships, my life in the now, right? So think about it, कि how much time have I really spent thinking about the past and the future, especially in these crisis times. Yeah, generally भी when there is no crisis, most of us are worried about कि मुझे प्रमोशन मिलेगा कि नहीं, जॉब रहेगी कि नहीं, मेरी हेल्थ ठीक रहेगी कि नहीं, लाइफ सर्कमस्टेंसेस मेरे हिसाब से चलेंगे या नहीं, या पास्ट में आपको किसी ने हर्ट किया हो या आपने किसी को हर्ट किया हो, एंड समवन हैज सेड समथिंग. there is so much that we think in the entire day which is actually not useful. In the entire day, can you imagine, we are thinking so much about the things that are beyond our control. So if I spend this time thinking about what I can really do about certain things in my life, or really be in the moment, can my life be a little better? Yes, of course it can be a little better, it can be way better. So आपका सिर्फ काम इतना ही है कि you have to catch yourself whenever you realize that you are in the past or in the future. We don't know what is up in the future, we don't know what is coming up, we cannot do anything about what has gone. So शायद इनिशियली आपको 2 घंटे सोचने के बाद रियलाइज़ होगा कि यार ये मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, but it's okay that 2 hours will reduce to 1.5 probably, then 1 probably, then half, then 15 minutes, 10, and then you just stop being in the past or in the future. The happiest and the most satisfied people are always in the moment, because they surrender to this now, which creates an amazing life for them, है ना? हमें ऐसा लगता है कि मैं जितना टाइम पास्ट के बारे में रिवाइंड करती रहूँगी, आई कैन चेंज सर्टन थिंग्स इन माई हेड. सो आई रीराइट द स्टोरीज ओवर एंड ओवर इन माई हेड, एंड इट डजंट गिव मी एनी रिजल्ट्स, राइट? और आई कीप क्रिएटिंग हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशंस अबाउट द फ्यूचर, जिसके वजह से ना मैं खुश हूँ, ना मैं इन रियलिटी हूँ, एंड नीदर आई फील सेफ. So think about this and do let me know what are your opinions on that. Okay, thank you so much.